Hey guys, this is the abandoned potato factory or harvesting factory. That's what I'm gonna call it. Um, this is in Klamath Falls, so it's kind of far from where I actually live in Portland. um, so right here, there's a lot of trash in this. I'm pretty sure it was a garage, some kind of stripped conveyor belts, which I'm assuming put the potatoes into the trucks. Yeah, this whole place was kind of a mess. There's trash everywhere. I guess not everywhere, but really a lot in that garage part. So yeah, I'm sorry I don't have actual audio of when I was here. There was just a lot of talking and stuff in the background because I was here with my family because they like to come along with me in these places. But right here, we're taking a look inside the male bathroom. As you can see, the toilet's looking pretty bad. And then right over here, the women's. Yeah, the women's bathroom. Looks like someone shot the paper towel dispenser. Not sure why, but there was a like sawdust everywhere. It looked like wood chippings like everywhere. I'm not sure what that has to do with potatoes, but yeah, it was kind of everywhere. This looks like a storage shed, maybe some like spare parts for all the machinery in here, because there was a lot, which you'll probably see all throughout the video. Yeah, these stairs right here, they were pretty sketchy and bouncy, and felt like I was about to fall through them. Just kind of like this roof that I'm about to show right here. It was all collapsed in. You can see even more of the brown, like wood chippings and sawdust everywhere. Just even coming out of the roof for some reason, or the ceiling. Right here was kind of interesting. That calendar, I know you probably can't read it right here, but it said 1989, I believe. So if that calendar was correct when the place went abandoned, sorry, I can't talk, then it closed in 1989, which is a really long time ago. It's probably one of the oldest places I've ever explored. Actually, I take that back. Yeah, all of these stairs that I was on were all these stairs that we were walked on pretty were in pretty bad condition. They were very flimsy, and even though they were metal grate stairs, they weren't that. They didn't feel that steady and stable. In fact, I actually did step through that last step right there. So you can see it kind of broke down. And right up here was kind of a strange part in this building. It was like a room basically on the ceiling. I don't remember if there were any supports coming down. There probably were, but I don't know if I showed it in the video. But it was like a room that was just cut in half. There was no wall coming out towards the rest of the building. But it almost looked kind of new too, which was kind of strange. But yeah, it was just half a room there, just sitting at the top. Here's another conveyor belt. In this room right here, you'll see some like pressure gauges. I think that's what they're called. I'm not quite sure. Those pressure gauges, I'm assuming, for monitoring the pressure of the machinery in the building and all the conveyor belts, if they need pressure gauges or whatever. But yeah, again, I was here with family, so all the people that you see are with me, I guess you can say. The exit looked pretty nasty. There were a lot of spider webs on it. I wasn't about to walk through it. These crates were kind of all over the place. This is the only one I saw, or I recorded, but usually they had like those bark chips and sawdust in them. But yeah, this is the end of the video, you guys. Thanks for watching.